Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of generating a trend analysis report that can help you analyze trends across a set of test results. To generate a trend analysis report, go to the Test module. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. Select one or more tests and click Generate Trend Analysis Report. The selected tests should have results for the analyte of interest. Now specify a file name. To define the page size, select User Defined and specify the width and height of the document. You can use the default PDF page size as well. To define the chart alignment, select Left, Center, or Right from the drop-down menu. You can specify a title and a description to display in the document header. To add more document headers, click the plus icon. You can add up to 8 headers. Specify the width and height of the chart or retain the default values. You can specify a chart title and select a title font size. Tick Show Horizontal Grid Lines and Show Vertical Grid Lines to include horizontal and vertical grid lines in the chart. Tick Show User-Defined Axis Titles to add custom axis titles. Specify a title for the x-axis and for the y-axis. Select the preferred x-axis label representation. You can enter a rotation angle and choose a font size. Furthermore, you can select the alignment and the position of the legend. Select an x-axis attribute and a y-axis attribute. Select an analyte of interest from the drop-down menu. You can select the shape of the data point and choose its color. Click the Data Point Color icon, select a color, and press Choose. You can select a data line style and a data line color. For data filtration, specify a lower limit and an upper limit. You can also specify a minimum and a maximum value to define the y-axis scale range. If you would like to include mean, standard deviation, and sigma levels in your graph, tick Plot the graph with mean, standard deviation, and sigma levels. To automatically calculate mean and standard deviation, select Yes, and then tick Mean. Select a data line style from the drop-down menu. To display the sigma level, tick 2s, 3s, and 4s, and monitor the deviation. To save the selection as a template for using it over again, click Add Report Template, enter a template name, and press Save. Press Generate Report and Stay to generate the report. If there are no further reports to generate, press Generate Report and close. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.